Ha ha ha. Saba, what are you doing? Burning my old master. Take that, Star's word. And Saba... About a few minutes later. Too late, Twilight. It's burned. What? I said it burned. Oh, Saba, that's my book. Saba! Too bad for you. Oh, what the? Luna, help! Sombra? Take that, Starford. Sombra? What did you read him? I was gonna read him Starford the Bearded. You know that was his old master. What? Yep. He totally teared up your book. Oh my God.